Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Ranjan Ray, manager such cash fund institutions, Parkland College, Cumberland College and Great Plains College. And today we are going to talk about my institutions and definitely my province. Welcome to such cash funds, the land of living sky. Why such cash fund? Why you should aim to such cash fund and why you always think about that that's going to be my destination because Saskatchewan is Canada's one of the strongest economical province with plenty of job opportunity both during and after your programs. Significantly, when you're thinking about Canada and education, you're thinking about your international destination. Saskatchewan gives you what you desire for, what you commands for, what you're looking for. The magnificent sunset, the northern light, the sunshine, the friendly people is always an added advantage. Located in the western part of Canada, it gives you one of the most balanced weather condition in the entire Canada. The sunniest province of Canada, that's Saskatchewan for you. With wheat, durum, mustard seeds and lentils that's actually feed the world what they say, and believe it, it is there in pen and paper. It's create Saskatchewan as one of the biggest production of agriculture in the entire Canada. That's add on to their economical growth and to the facts that Saskatchewan has declared the best place to invest in mining, and once it has been declared, all the economical powerhouses they are inclined towards Saskatchewan for investment. So the opportunity is immense. The opportunity is so big that you can't overlook Saskatchewan as a province because it gives everything what you desire about. It's offer a rich cultural experience. It's offer one of the best place to live, study and work, because when we say about Saskatchewan we always think about the eliteness of their living standard, but it is one of the cheapest province to stay. So you are getting that elite hospitality, the Saskatchewan hospitality, by paying much lesser than the other province, and with a perfect recreation opportunity with lakes, the spacious park. You say about the community, it's a umbrella province, it's a mini world you can say about, because there is no particular language, there is no particular religious influence. It's all together, all same, where you can enjoy each and every religious festival enthusiastically, equally. That's Saskatchewan for you. One of the most hours of sunshine per annum in Canada, it is recorded in Saskatchewan year after year after year after. That's why no province come closer to when we say about the sunniest province. That's only terms and goes to Saskatchewan. And I said about Saskatchewan rank the largest production of agriculture in the entire Canada. Their volume is so big that even Indian governments invest a certain $1 million. How much? I will get on to my later slides. And to be the related facts, their mining, their productions related to the oil, related to diamonds, the potassium and the rarest uranium. They are the biggest exporter of uranium in the globe. So once it has been declared, it has immense to say that Saskatchewan's economy is on boom. They are growing with each passing day. And to be believed, it has been said that Saskatchewan within the next 4 to 5 years is going to be one of the busiest in terms of business tourism. The appeal is there to the world, and they are accepting to the fact that Saskatchewan has the potentiality to be, and they are one of the strongest economical and one of the best province to live, stay and work. And to their friendly, student friendly immigration policy is always a add-on. What they are, I will going to discuss on the later stages. And it is said that it's reflecting one of the best place to work, one of the best place to stay. So what is reflecting? Saskatchewan has one of the lowest unemployment rate in Canada. That's signifying the potential of getting a job is much more higher in Saskatchewan. And with reflecting to their median after tax income per family segments, that comes as a 10% higher than the national average and only the second lowest. That is, we say about one of the biggest jump in there, that they are the biggest. You say about they are in the positions that they are the 10% higher, so in the national average. So you always getting the best of the facts when you are staying in such Saskatchewan. I said about that Indian government is investing. 2018, I'm taking a fact that, and it's not only about 2018, it's repeating year after year after year. 2018, $629 million the Indian government has invested to bring commodity, minerals products, agriculture products from Saskatchewan. Just think about the volume, how big. India being one of the richest in terms of agriculture, then also Indian government is investing. So just think about across the globes, what are the actual value the Saskatchewan's agriculture and the mineral products to get us about. You know that there is a particular city in Canada known as the Paris of Canada. Yes, I am talking about the Paris of Paris. That's Saskatoon for you. One of the scenic city, one of the best planned city, one of the city where everyone desired to be. And which Regina as the capital of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, these are the two international airport, Saskatoon Airport and the Regina Airport. That's connect all my international campuses. So the students who are coming from my to my institutions, these are the international airport they have to route through. So I said about Saskatchewan's job opportunity. Yes, one of the lowest unemployment rate. Definitely the salary structure do comes effect when I say about they having a 10% higher median after tax income per capita or per family. Now just simplifying about the SINP. So SINP, I am not from the immigrations. Be in touch with Pioneer Global. They are our authorized agent to recruit, and they are the best one to guide you related to the immigration segments. 3 facts which I am going to discuss. Number 1, minimum 1 year of programs. That's neat. You need to be a minimum 1 year of graduation from this institutions. 960 hours of work. Work during your study also counts. So you just need to spend 960 hours working. You have to show that. And even those part-time jobs, it's countable. And the last one, a job related to your studies. To making you very clear, all my programs are relevant to the province. And being a fact, it is one of the lowest unemployment rate. So probability of getting a job in Saskatchewan, it is as easy as it can. So let's break this 960 hours. How we can break upon? 960 hours can be break into the factor that in Canada, we know that in a year you are going to get a 2 semester. Each semester consists of 4 months. So that's going to be 8 months of study, right? So 8 months of studies, you are going to get a 20 hours per week of permissions to work. So that's coming at 80 hours in a month. Into 8 months, 640 hours already while you are studying. Only 320 hours remains to touch the 960 marks. How you are going to get it? Mostly you are going to have approx 3 months of study break. The extended holidays related to the winter breaks, the breaks between your semesters and the summer breaks is all count and approx 3 months. Out of that, if you work only 2 months, where you will be eligible for a 40 hours a week, that means 160 hours in a month. That comes as a 320 hours. So combine it, the work during your study and work during your break is 960 hours. You still haven't touched the work permit. It is as easy as it can be. So that is the reason Saskatchewan is one of the preferred destination for the international students in terms of quality education, the cheapest living standard. I'm saying about in terms of the monetary, but the standard of living is elite, and definitely the immigration policy is making a student beeline. I have 3 institutions to offer you. All the 3 institutions comes under the regional college system. They are the public institute escalated by the government of Saskatchewan. All facility you say, they are the designated learning institute, SDS admissions, the work permit, post-graduation work permit, you say about we have it. And why international students always prefer Saskatchewan's? Their program, the industry driven programs is always a highlighted fact, because I say all my programs are related to the province. That's giving a significant example that how closely the industry work with this college. The experimental learning, you are there in the field. The implementation of your theory in the practical segments, that's add-on, that's give you value that whatever you are earning on books, you are applying it on work. Free health insurance to each and every student is making your cost effective. It is making your cost, your spending less. The post-graduation employability, that's the segment I say about SINP, is always a factor related to it. And these institutions, definitely all the programs of my institutions is high demand occupations. The occupations related to the sub-segments, the job, the others factors, the labor market is all related to what you are learning. 99% of my students, either they are satisfied or very satisfied with the methodology, with the instruction method, what our faculty do use it. And being under the regional college systems, We are having a very limited class size of 12 to 35. So the lower of number of classroom size, there are going to be more interactions. There's more interactions. There's a friendliness. There is a relaxed atmosphere. That's the main international students always look for when they are choosing a campus. And with scholarship opportunity for each and every programs, the only fact is that you need to prove you're a scholar. You have to be a student. You have to be on ground. So for Cumberland College, we are offering three campuses. One is Malford, Nipwin and Tisdale. Beautiful. Everyone have their uniqueness. Malford is very famous for their local shopping. The people from across the city do comes to Malford to enjoy this unique experience. Nipwin is known as the Pulse of Pine. They are the recreation heaven. With the hot stream, the pine forest is always an added attraction amongst the populations to this city and the nearby one. And Tisdale is very famous for their healthcare facilities. Now, to be informed about the particular programs what we are offering as of now for October intake, yes, for the students who are listening, October intake we are open with one program, that is Agriculture Science Certificate. Just think about how relevant it can be. Agriculture Science Certificate, a province which is famous for agriculture productions, and we are offering a program on that agriculture. So just think about it, it's a tailor-made. It's a match in heaven. So that's something, Agriculture Science Certificate we are offering anyone with a grade 12, 50%, no subjects below 50, mathematics and science. We are looking for non-medical students and with a IELTS score of 6.5, no band less than 6, or a PTE score of 58, no component less than 50, you can apply. All those who are having from the medical background or done their BSc in agriculture or other subjects, don't need to get disappointed. Only a online math examination that will cost you $25, and it is as easy as it can be. Clear it, grab the opportunity. So this is the program we are offering for the October intake. That's mainly the purpose I want to discuss. Apart from that, we will be getting you updated related to our September 2022 offering. The institutions relate to Parkland College. All these things relate to enhance about few more details. These institutions, they are well connected with the industry. That's why 98% of my institutes, my students, they are having a job inside even before they graduate. And the learning experience is always, we are interconnected with the industry, and the employees, they are really satisfied and they look forward for these students who are once graduating from this institute. So Parkland College is also comes under the same six systems, and we are offering Yorkton as the campus. Very beautiful, 6th largest city of Saskatchewan, and plenty of job opportunities. It's something say about it's a picturized cities offering for you. Currently, all those students who are having a study permit, valid study permit, or onshore, this is the opportunity for September 2021. We are open for a business certificate. We are open for business management diploma. So anyone with a grade 12, 55%, no subjects below 50, and an IELTS of 6.5, no band less than 5, with a valid study permit, they can apply as of now. My last institutions to offer is Great Plains College. Every desired facility I have discussed till now, they have the same. Along with, we have been very specialized and related to the athletics. Sundog Varsity Athletic Team, that's a really famous names out there, and we participate regular on the national level. That's the athletic team Great Plains College is having. So you can always choose upon, if you're really thinking about, yes, after educations, there are going to be a space for athletics. That's Great Plains College for you. Apart from that, the same segments, the regional institutions, the public institute escalated by the government of government of Saskatchewan, designated learning institutes, all the facts and figures is as common as it can be. When any of the student is arriving in Saskatchewan, I always say that go register yourself in the Newcomer Welcome Center. What are the facilities you are going to get? You are going to get the extra support, what I say, what the college is giving. Apart from that, the employment opportunities, the post-graduation work, you say about the settlement, the medical, they have everything. And we are really active through the Facebook pages, the bulk SMS, the bulk email, and even a call drop away. So if you want to enjoy the excess facilities out there, you always need to reach out to the Newcomer Welcome Center. And with the cafeteria, lounges in our institution is always a mid-heaven. The students do enjoy about being in company of their friends, knowing about new culture, new language, and education is always a parameter factor for on this the lounges and cafeteria. They always look forward for this. Student association or the voice of the student is always there to help you out related to any of your issues, any of the facts, any of your circumstances which you are facing. Great Plains College also do have 3 international campus: Kindersley, Swift Current, and Warman. Warman is just next to Saskatoon, the biggest city of Saskatchewan. Swift Current is the 7th largest and the 3rd sunniest place in the entire Canada. Just think about, sunshine is always there with you. And Kindersley is very famous for their sports, recreation, arts, and heritage. So you always want to be in this phase, in this phases when you think about Saskatchewan, when you think about Parkland, Cumberland, and Great Plains College. For Great Plains College, currently we have open up for January 2022 with one program, that is administrative assistance. So anyone with a grade 12 60%, no subjects below 50, and an IELTS score of 6.5, no band less than 6, you can come up. You need to apply with a co-op work permit, because on this programs you are getting a 3 week of component. So this is all about the programs we are offering for this institutions. To say more about, be in touch with Pioneer Global. They are our official recruiting partners, and anyone having an issue related to study gap, no need to worry. If you can justify, we will take it. Backlog, same goes. There is no particular limit, but definitely it should look decent when you are applying. Any medium of instructions, any board, whether it's a open board, NIOS, Open University, we welcome each and every format of students to our campus. So currently, what I am repeating, Cumberland College Agriculture Science Certificate is open for October intake. 6.5, no band less than 6, grade 12 or grade 12 equivalent with this mathematics, English, plus any of 3 science subjects. And if you don't have mathematics, no need to worry. You can apply for an online math examinations and you can grab the spot. Cumberland, Great Plains College Administrative Assistance Program for January intake, we are open. 6.5, no band less than 6. It's all required grade 12 60%, no subjects below 50. And Parkland College Business Program, Business Diploma and Business Certificate for all those students who are still undecided and think about they need to change a DLI with a valid study permit if they are having, or onshore, they can apply with a grade 12 55%, no subjects below 50, and an IELTS score of 6.5, no band less than 5. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. This is something I want to say, that if you want to gather more informations, you want to book your seats right there in this institutions, be in touch with Pioneer Global. They are our official recruiting partner. Don't delay it. This is the opportunity to grab. So till then, we meet. Be safe, be steady, and definitely vaccinated yourself. That's one of the major criteria you need to submit while you are traveling to Canada for your dream destinations, Saskatchewans. Welcome to Saskatchewans. Welcome to Parkland College. Welcome to Cumberland College. Welcome to Great Plains College. Thank you.